Imagine a technology so terrifyingly advanced that it doesn't care if you turn off your phone, destroy your GPS tracking devices, or hide inside a solid steel bunker underground. If your heart is beating, they can find you. From 40 miles away, welcome back to IFSI World!
In April 2026, the world's intelligence agencies were left in absolute shock. A classified U.S. rescue mission in the rugged mountains of Iran successfully extracted a crashed American pilot. But how they found him changed everything. They used a top-secret project codenamed Ghost Murmur. Mainstream media reported the rescue, but they unmasked the ultimate mystery. Is Ghost Murmur a breakthrough in quantum physics or the ultimate tool for global surveillance? Let's find out. To understand the mystery, we have to go back to April 3rd, 2026. A stealth reconnaissance aircraft crashed near the Iranian border. The pilot survived, but was stranded in a zone heavily patrolled by hostile forces. He went completely dark. No radio, no transponder, nothing. Within 6 hours, a specialized extraction team arrived precisely at a hidden cave where the pilot was sheltering. According to leaked memos circulating on defense forums, the team didn't look for radio signals. They were guided by a new payload attached to a high-altitude drone. The memo used a term that immediately triggered massive spikes on Google Trends: Ghost Murmur technology. The leak claimed this device can isolate and track the unique electromagnetic frequency of a single human heart from the edge of space. But wait, is this even scientifically possible? Let's break down the actual physics. Every time your heart beats, it generates a tiny electrical current. This current creates an incredibly weak magnetic field around your body, measured in femtoteslas. Normally, this magnetic field drops to zero just a few inches away from your chest. To detect it from 40 miles away through solid rock and mountain caves should be completely impossible under standard physics. Environmental noise, cell phone towers, and radio waves would easily drown it out. So how did the developers of Ghost Murmur bypass this limitation? According to military leaks, the secret lies in a breakthrough called Atomic Quantum Magnetometry. Instead of using standard electronic antennas, Ghost Murmur utilizes a highly specialized sensor filled with laser-trapped rubidium atoms. These atoms are cooled down to absolute zero, making them hypersensitive to the smallest magnetic changes in the environment. When a high-altitude drone scans an area, an AI algorithm automatically filters out all background noise, like cars, lightning, and power grids. It locks entirely onto the specific rhythmic pulse of human biology. But you might ask, what if there are hundreds of people in that area? How does the drone know which heartbeat belongs to the target? The answer lies in advanced machine learning. Just like your fingerprint, your heart has a unique anatomical structure. The thickness of your heart walls, the speed of your valves, and the exact timing of your electrical impulses create a one-of-a-kind biomagnetic fingerprint. No two humans on Earth have the exact same heartbeat rhythm. Before a mission, the intelligence agency feeds the target's pre-recorded medical data, like an old ECG or past surveillance scans, into the Ghost Murmur AI. When the drone flies over a crowd, the AI scans everyone, but instantly discards the mismatched heartbeats. It acts like a digital hound dog, ignoring all other signals until it locks on to the exact frequency of the target. Think about the terrifying implications. Traditional thermal cameras can be blocked by thick concrete. Radar can be jammed. But Ghost Murmur tracks the one thing you cannot turn off as long as you are alive: your own heartbeat. Your very life force is converted into a tracking beacon from space. As the news spread, the internet went into a frenzy. The public reaction was a mixture of absolute awe and deep paranoia. On social media, users began asking uncomfortable questions. One viral comment on Reddit read, If the government can track a heartbeat from a drone, privacy is officially dead. They don't need microchips. Our own bodies are broadcasting our location.
Defense analysts argue that this technology will only be used for high-value search and rescue. But the public skepticism is justified. If a rogue agency or an authoritarian regime gets access to Ghost Murmur, targeted assassinations and total civilian surveillance would become effortless. This brings us to the main mystery. Why did the Pentagon allow this leak to happen in the first place? Historically, when the US military develops a game-changing technology, like stealth fighters in the 1970s, they keep it secret for decades. Many experts believe Ghost Murmur is part of a deliberate psychological warfare strategy. By letting adversaries know that hiding underground is no longer an option, the US establishes supreme deterrence without firing a single missile. Alternatively, some whistleblowers suggest that Ghost Murmur isn't fully operational yet. The sudden drop in public data and the zeroing out of search trends suggest a massive government clampdown. The curtain has been pulled back down, leaving us in the dark.
Ghost Murmur bridges the gap between science fiction and a dystopian reality. It proved its worth in a daring rescue mission, but its implications for the future of humanity are chilling. Your heart, the very symbol of your life, might now be your greatest vulnerability. What do you think? Is Ghost Murmur a necessary tool for national security, or is it the ultimate end of human privacy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
If you want to stay ahead of the world's most classified secrets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for IFSI World. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next deep dive. Stay vigilant.